Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 838 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, we've got the quarterly updates from Sphere 3D, WonderFi Technologies, and CoinSmart Financial. But just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so Sphere 3D Corp, which trades on the Nasdaq as ANY, has reported its financial results, Bitcoin mining operation results, and operational updates for the first quarter of fiscal year 2022 ended March 31st, 2022. Q1 highlights include a revenue of $1.4 million USD. This is an increase from $0.9 million in Q1 last year, as well as the production of 18.15 Bitcoins. Patty Trumpeter, the company's CEO, said, quote, "Looking forward, our mining fleet will expand consistent with the amended delivery schedule below, and our production capacity will increase accordingly. We are working with Jefferies LLC, our financial advisor, to identify the most appropriate financing options to fund the expansion of our fleet, and we are exploring new growth areas in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industries." End quote. WonderFi Technologies, Inc., which trades on the OTC under the ticker WONDF, has shared its second quarter 2022 financial results for the period ended March 31st. Highlights include total assets of $598 million Canadian at the quarter's end, 750,000 Web3 users, and the acquisition of crypto platform BitBuy on March 25th this year. Ben Samaru, the CEO of WonderFi, said, quote, "WonderFi's second quarter was marked by the transformative acquisition of BitBuy, which immediately positions the company as one of the leading regulated crypto exchange businesses in Canada. The signing of the definitive agreement to acquire Coinberry so soon after the closing of BitBuy transaction will further add to the company's leadership position within the industry, and we are excited for what the future holds as we integrate all of our businesses to continue our rapid user acquisition growth and explore ways to unlock cost synergy opportunities." End quote. CoinSmart Financial Inc., which trades on the NEO under the ticker symbol SMRT, has announced its Q1 2022 financial results. Some highlights for the quarter include gross revenue of $4.2 million, $113 million in over-the-counter trading volume, and the acquisition of over 33,700 new registered users. The company's CEO, Justin Hartzman, said, quote, "Q1 2022 saw continued year-over-year growth during a quarter that experienced high volatility. I am extremely proud that our team was able to execute and continue growing our user base, ship new products, and help the crypto curious enter the market. The decision to not only focus on the retail platform growth, but to diversify over a number of business lines has helped our continued year-over-year growth against the headwinds of a poor macroeconomic environment. Q1 was highlighted by growth in over-the-counter trading as we acquired new HNWI and institutional clients. We're looking forward to further expansion in crypto payment products and geographies as we move into Q2 2022. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.